Hey guys, how's it going? It's Pure Lou, back here with another edition of the Holding Monster. And today, I have the brand new Brid ZETA IV, newest generation of racing seats from Brid. And I'm pretty excited, so we're just gonna do an unbox, make sure yours is authentic, make sure you're buying from reputable sources. And the configuration we have, if you've seen from the title, black fabric with an FRP back, and FRP back means sparkle back. So let's get right to it, okay? So we got our label here. You can see it's got the Model 4, type black with FRP back, okay? And this is your label. So we're cutting open your Brid box. You want to make sure you're not cutting too far deep because the shell might be right there, which in this case it is. Let's see right there. Okay, so now we're gonna pull it out. Super light seat. It's only 7.2 kilograms. So I put on here, you can see it comes in this heavy duty bag. So the heavy duty bag protects you from moisture during shipping, things like that. So now we're just gonna unwrap it here. So you see it's, they roll it up here, it's pretty tight. So this is how all Brid seats are packed up. And now we get to see it. Oh man, the seat's pretty nice. They've really improved it a lot from this ZETA III. It looks like an entirely different seat, the build quality is next level. And also here, we have our booklet. So you guys wanna make sure you have your booklet here. Here you got your bolts and your washer, that's for the seat. So there's 4 mounting points, so make sure you have 4 bolts. Make sure you have 8 washers. There was one for the one side of the bolt and the other side of the rail as well. And here you have some decals. So decals kind of vary depending on what seat you have. So you got our official Brid decal. And then this is EDERB, this is Brid's new brand, their offshoot, their luxury brand. And in here, we have your certificate. So this is your official certificate. This authenticates your seat. And in here, we have the QA card. So this QA card means that it was packed from factory. They got all the information there, making sure your seat is legit and been packed right from factory. And of course here we have our specifications. So here, I got the specification booklet, teaches you how to mount to different rails. So there's quite a few good pictures on there, even though it's in Japanese. And this is the grand one. This is your official certificate with your serial number. So it outlines all the specs of your seat, stamp of approval, has the serial number that matches the seat. So this is the real deal. You can frame this, put it up in your garage, tell when you got real ones. So we took it out of the bag now. You can see the whole seat as it is. Looks really nice. Like I said, all black fabric. It's got a FRP back, so this is the sparkle back that Brid is known for. And yeah, the seat's incredible. The ZETA IV, introducing now with the ZETA IV low max system. These are large seatbelt holes, so when you unbox, you want to double check your seatbelt pass-throughs, make sure it's all stable. Of course, there's good stitching here. It's got the Brid logo on the edge here. You want to inspect all your cushions too upon getting it. Make sure they're all intact, make sure they're all stuck down well. And then, take your way around the side and the back. It's got a nice stretch here. And the back here, you want to make sure there's no damage, no cutting, no scratching. So ours looks like it's in pristine condition. And of course, you got your label down here and your spring to kind of hold the fabric tight. So that's everything you need to know when you're unboxing your ZETA IV. So hopefully you watch this video before you unbox, stop you from potentially damaging your seat. And you want to do, comment below if you want to know anything, hit subscribe. And right here I'm linking in-depth review of the ZETA IV and also my first impressions when I get the seat, okay? So make sure to watch other videos if you guys want more information. Thanks.